Let's make the nitrobenzene. Apparatus: gloves for safety, thermometer, round bottom flask, filter funnel, beakers. Separatory funnel, pipette, stand and burner, reflux condenser. Chemicals: add No3 into H to sew for dropwise. Put this in water bath and maintain the temperature of 55 C. See the temperature. Now add 30 milliliters of benzene dropwise and heated it for 40–45 minutes at the temperature of 60 centigrade. Check the temperature at the same time. See the color is changing. Now put this in separatory funnel. Put the filter paper in filter funnel and filter it. See, nitrobenzene is elute out. Hope so you like it. Ha ha.